Unfortunately, if truth be told, since 2000, the year 2000, with the formation of the women's ministry in ISKCON, it's been a political body. There's been simply politics on issues in the name of women's rights. Like secular feminists, these devotees, I'm not saying they're not devotees, but these devotees who have taken the stance that women in ISKCON should have the same rights as men. So like secular feminists, they are convinced that they are right. There is nothing to discuss on this matter. They're axiomatically, obviously correct. And anyone who disagrees with them is a misogynist. If you don't agree with us, it's not that you've got any good reason to do so, but because you're a misogynist. It means that you're demoniac and mentally imbalanced, or mentally imbalanced.